We're following the devastating aftermath of Hurricane Helene, which made landfall approximately at 11 p.m. on September 26, 2024, and left a significant mark on the communities it touched. Helene struck with winds as high as 120 miles per hour, heavy rainfall, and severe storm surges, leaving behind widespread destruction.
All right, guys, you ready? Let's go.
Officials report extensive damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure, with coastal areas of Louisiana, Mississippi, and parts of Alabama bearing the brunt of the storm. Thousands of residents are now displaced, and many communities are facing days or even weeks without power. Flooding continues to pose serious challenges, with the waters reaching up to 6 feet in certain areas, straining residents and damaging roadways. The storm has also taken a tragic toll. At least 15 lives have been lost and many more are injured. Rescue and recovery teams have been working around the clock to reach those in need. Local, state, and federal agencies are on the ground assisting in search and rescue operations, providing emergency supplies, and setting up shelters for displaced families. Today, cleanup efforts are underway, but officials warn that it could take months to fully recover. The economic impact of Hurricane Helene is expected to be significant, with preliminary estimates in the range of 3 to 5 billion in damages. Many residents face uncertainty as they begin to assess the damage to their homes and businesses.